Have you ever set your room air conditioner to 28 degrees Celsius or even 30 degrees Celsius, but the room keeps getting colder? If your AC is overcooling, it's not only uncomfortable, it also wastes electricity and may indicate a fault. In this video, I'll explain the most common reasons why an AC keeps cooling even when the temperature is set high, and how HVAC technicians diagnose the problem step by step. When you set your AC to a desired temperature, the indoor unit measures the room temperature using a sensor called the room thermistor. Once the room reaches the set temperature, the compressor should stop or reduce its cooling output, depending on the AC model. If the AC continues cooling below the set temperature, something is wrong. Welcome back to Technology Advance M4H. Cause 1. Faulty room temperature sensor. The most common cause is a faulty room temperature sensor. This sensor constantly measures room temperature. If it sends incorrect information to the control board, the AC believes the room is still warm and continues cooling. Room becomes too cold. Compressor runs continuously. Display temperature doesn't match the actual room temperature. Use a multimeter to check the thermistor resistance and compare it with the manufacturer's resistance chart. Cause 2. Incorrect sensor location. Sometimes the sensor is working perfectly, but is installed in the wrong location. If it's touching the evaporator coil or cold air stream instead of sensing room air, it may provide inaccurate readings. Always inspect that the sensor is properly clipped into its original position. Cause 3. Dirty indoor air filter. A dirty air filter restricts airflow. Poor airflow changes the temperature around the evaporator and sensor, affecting proper temperature control. Clean the filters every 2 to 4 weeks, especially during heavy use. Cause 4. Indoor PCB problem. The indoor control board processes information from the sensor. If the PCB is faulty, it may ignore the sensor input and keep the compressor running continuously. Look for burn marks, loose connectors, damaged components. Always disconnect power before inspecting the PCB. Cause 5. Remote control settings. Check the operating mode. If the AC is in cooling mode instead of auto mode, or special functions like turbo or powerful mode are enabled, cooling may continue longer than expected. Verify temperature setting, operating mode, fan speed, timer settings. Cause 6. Refrigerant in system issues. Inverter systems adjust compressor speed automatically. However, sensor faults, PCB problems, or wiring issues may prevent proper modulation. Technicians should also check refrigerant pressure, indoor coil temperature, outdoor unit operation, communication wiring. Step-by-step troubleshooting. Professional HVAC technicians usually follow these steps. Confirm customer complaint. Measure actual room temperature. Compare set temperature with room temperature. Inspect and clean filters. Check sensor resistance. Verify sensor location. Inspect PCB connections. Monitor compressor operation. Check refrigerant system. Test the AC after repairs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HVAC tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more useful content for you. Thanks for being here. Compose right to Technology Advance.